Morning, welcome. This is Jamb here, 2013 government pass question. Question number 47 says the organ of UN that promotes voluntary cooperation among member states in diverse areas is the dash. The organ of UN that promotes voluntary cooperation among member states in diverse areas is the dash. When we talk of UN, UN stands for United Nations. So, and the organ of the UN that promotes, that cover different areas of the UN programs is what the question is asking us. A. Security Council. B. International Court of Justice. C. General Assembly. D. Economic and Social Council. As the name implies, the Economic and Social Council covers different areas of member states. Yes, different areas of their economy, social, cultural, political, and so many areas. So option D is correct. Thank you, and kindly subscribe for more videos.